Hello, what's up guys? Good morning everyone. Today 14th May 2024. I woke up at 4:45 a.m. I got fresh up and prayed namaz. I got ready for my work and Abhinav Parkour. I requested my mother last night itself what all I'm going to have in my breakfast as well as in my lunch. She has prepared it early in the morning, my breakfast meal as well as my lunch meal. She prepared it and given me before 5:30 a.m. Right now the time is 5:35 a.m. I'll go to Abhinav Parkour at 6 a.m. From 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. I'll be performing calisthenics at Abhinav Parkour. Then from 7 to 8, it's beside Abhinav Parkour we have Madhapur season swimming pool. It's temperature controlled indoor swimming pool. I'll perform, I'm learning life saving skills there. I know swimming. I've been swimming from last 2 decades. I've learned swimming when I was in my 7th or 8th class. But I don't know, if someone is drowning in the water, I can't help them. I'm learning those skills. Then post 8 a.m. I'll go to my office. I'll go to my office and at 9 o'clock I have a meeting. From morning 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. I'll be in my office. I'll do some office work. Then I'll spend some time in making this, editing this reel at night 9 p.m. Then I'll go back home by 10 p.m. I'll spend some time with my family. Then I'll sleep for the day. Let's see how it goes. And this is the first meal. It's kind of a pre-workout, just the pre-workout. Watermelon, empty on stomach before hitting parkour. First meal of the day. I'm at Abhinav Parkour 10 minutes before the class starts. This is my parkour, one of the leading parkour academies we have in India. Pre-workout, before starting my workout. There are few side effects having pre-workout. Please use it appropriately. Taking high caffeine have many side effects.
Nice. 28, 29, 30, change, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
बेंड कर दे रहे समीर. नाइस. टर्न करो समीर. बार उधर है.
Sixteen, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Start any kind of food. Oh my god, today's session was wonderful. I came to my swimming school, one of the best swimming schools we have. Season swimming pool, one of the best swimming pools we have near Madhapur. It's temperature controlled. Healthy fats before swimming. I'm having just completed my swimming session. I got fresh up and got ready in my swimming pool only. Going to my office now. Guys, if you want to lose fat with in a most effective way and very less risky way, I prefer you guys to go for swimming. It's one of the best sports we have, swimming. Please go and learn swimming if you guys want to, lose fat in a very, less time. I'll show you now what is the first meal I'm having for my breakfast. See, these are 12 eggs. I'll have only egg whites, like close to 10 egg whites and 2 full eggs, because my body needs more protein. It is 12 eggs means 12 into 4, 48. Close to, I'm consuming 50 to 55 grams of protein. I can easily digest it, and post that, to compensate it, it's kind of oilless. Those are simple carbs which my mother has prepared in the morning. I'll have it with dosa, and I have peanut chutney. It's kind of a healthy fat. It's a mixed combination of dosa, peanut chutney, and eggs. What do you want? I am covering all the macros. It's kind of a high protein, moderate carbs, and moderate healthy fats. First meal of the day. Then I'll take, if I am having vegetables in my day, I'll not go for multivitamins. If I am not having vegetables, then I'll take a capsule of multivitamins and fish oil. Let's see. Now see the traffic in Hyderabad. And I also, guys, this is my car, Nano. Nano is one of the best vehicles I have used. I have used so many vehicles. I have used Duster, I have used Xylo, I have used Alto, I have used Audi, I have used so many vehicles. But the vehicle which I love the most is Nano. It will go like this. I mean, if you want to drive in a traffic, right, Nano is like, it will take very less space, and the AC of Nano vehicle is so chilled, even in hot summer. I love this vehicle. Hats off to Ratan Tata for his great innovation for making Tata Nano to the Indian market. And also, guys, Tata Nano, it gives me a mileage of 22 to 25 kilometers per liter. I don't know. That too in the city. In a city, it gives me a mileage of 22 to 25 kilometers. That too, I normally go every time with AC. Hats off to Ratan Tata ji for making this great product, Tata Nano. I love it. Oh my God, my beautiful office finally. Exactly at 9:10 a.m. The best thing of a software engineer is you can have meetings while having your breakfast too. Parallel tasks you can do. Lunch meal, lemon rice with kaleji, mutton kaleji, liver. Guys, give some kind of thumbs up, no? Those are kuch to boल दो. देखो ना कितना टाइम से thumbs up दो. Last meal of the day, palak, white rice and curd with dal to compensate sugar craving. Gajar ka halwa with zero sugar.